Be taking a look at here is SPCL. I know that me and Joe covered this one quite a bit. We went through this one in great detail, but right now this one is being called on Investors Hangout in the contest for SPCL by Pugalista. I believe that's how you say that, Pugalista. 0113 is when he called that, currently trading at 0095. Yes, he 0125, it looks like he would have called that. So yeah, okay. Yeah, I looked at the wrong one. There we go. All right. So we went over this one on the 30th, and it was at 0092, and I said that I thought it was going to be headed down. So it's been up since then, though. Been up since then. It's shot up quite a bit today. It opened at 018, currently down 22%. But hey, we look at these stocks way back here, way back in the past. So investorshangout.com/live to stay up to date, to find them way back here is when we usually find these, when they're called in the contest. And I see that I circled it here. I could look back in the previous streams here a few months, see when we talked about it last. But the last stream I said that it was probably going to be heading down. I know that Joe, we talked a lot about this one too. So
yeah, this is the one with the press release. I read the wrong date.
Oh, yeah.
So they had an 8K on the what day was this? December 1st.
All right, so I want to point out something real quick here, Joe, while you're pulling that up. So again, like I said, I like to look back in our previous streams. We covered this one. All right. And this is really important for everybody that, like I said, I said it a few times already in the last few videos. Anybody that's watching these stocks or watching these videos right now, 1, 2, 3 months down the road, or even in the next few days. All right. It's December 5th, 2016 right now. We're looking at these stocks. SPCL. We went over this one on October 3rd. October 3rd, we went over this at 0013. Yes, 0013. I put it on watch. I thought it was going to run then. You can go back to that video and watch that video. From that date for SPCL, you're going to see that. And look at how much. I mean, hundreds of percent gains. Hundreds. A couple 100% gains here since that video. And we put it on watch then. This is why these streams are so important. So if you follow SPCL right now, head over to investorshangout.com. Share this video with everybody, because of the fact that we worked together to find these stocks way back then before you're at this place now. And so you can be up here, the one partying way up here. So remember that, investorshangout.com/live to find out the next stream. Joe, if there's anything else you want to add to this one?
Well, I was just reading through this recent 8K, and it was just saying that they were doing like a exchange agreement with Pixels Holdings. That was back in May 23rd. Remember when we went over this before, like back in the day?
Yeah.
We talked about, like, somebody had mentioned that this thing was there. So in this, it says the company also notes that there have been recent publications and other postings on the internet by third parties alleging that Pixel has significant revenues, with figures as much as 70 million mentioned. The publication also speculates that the value of Solaris common stock is significantly greater than its current price. None of these postings or publications have been authorized or approved by the company, any member of the current or prior management, or any representative of the company. In fact, the speculated revenues of Pixel are materially misleading and are significantly in excess of current levels of sales revenues. Investors are urged to ignore any such reports. So,
yep. SPCL, congratulations to everyone and all the people that watched this video then and took advantage of it, the stock then, and got in, because I mean, I can't stress it enough. I really can't. So yeah, you might be down today, the last few days, the last 2 weeks, but hey, you know what? We did what we could. We're not pros, we're not teachers. We just have fun, and you can turn on these streams in the background and listen to a few hours of just going through 50 plus stocks about the companies. You might hear something, hey, look, I like that. But the most important part is that these are called in our contest right now. And I'm telling you, you'll see the numbers later on. When Joe posts the numbers later on every day after the market close, you're going to get a good idea where that stock is. So, all right, so that is SPCL.